We've got a 97 VT Commodore Wagon. Looks pretty good in the body. Tyres are good. These front ones look nearly new. It's got a couple, it's a little bit chippy on the nose, which would indicate it's done some freeway driving. Clear's peeled off a bit on the bonnet. Front bar's just got your average trolley scratches and that. It's got headlight protectors. A few more chips along here. Antenna's broken off the top. A couple more dents, scratches here actually. There. Along the side. They're all minor. There's a dent right here on the tailgate. Good family car. It's got a tow bar. Next on there. Looks like a heavy duty one. This side's really good. Only some minor chips on the back door right here. You want to film the roof? A couple of little small dents on the roof. There's one I can see. That's about it actually. I can't see anymore. The interior's in really good condition. I really can't see much wrong with it. There's a couple of stains on it. The rubber's coming off on the floor mat there. Stereo's working.
1,000 Aussie men a day.
It's got a CD player, Kenwood CD player. Air conditioning. That's all working. Cold air, yes. Horn. Wipers. It's got a cracked windscreen. We'll be putting a brand new windscreen for whoever buys it. Have a look at the back seat system. Plenty of storage space in the back here. As you can see, it's nice and clean. It doesn't look like it's done much work. V6 petrol engine. As you can see, it purrs like a kitten. Excellent condition, isn't that? Not smoky, there's no oil leaks.